Hello guys! Good morning, good morning! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, meron na naman tayong another collection of lingerie for today na ating ipulang review. So without further ado, let's begin. So this is my new collection for today. Wow! Oh, lace! This is a thong panty. Look at this. Wow! Nice! Ganda! So, tingnan natin. Tingnan mo naman yung kanyang style. Very elegant and sexy and very see-through. Look at this. So, tingnan natin yung kanyang tahi. Wow, nice. Good quality sewing. Ang ganda po. Pero yung kanyang likod ay para siyang fishnet, parang kulambo, see-through. But here in the clothes, meron siyang maliit na lining na cotton. Cotton po ito kaya okay dito sa ating private. Kaya lang huwag kang bubuka-buka dahil napakaliit lang nito. So tiny. So this is a thong panty. So alam nyo na mga may almo, hindi na naman pwede sa inyo. So sa ano naman, sa stretch nitong garter, very nice, very firm. At dito sa waistline, ganun din. Nice. Smooth lang po siya, kaya hindi ito makati sa balat. And the material lace is so nice. Look at this. Very firm at smooth lang po yung kanyang tela, kaya hindi ito masakit. And then, dito naman, tignan mo naman, Sos Mariano. Very, very tiny. So, ito po ay bikini tiny thong panty. Look at this. Very see-through. Kaya, kapag sinuot mo to at wala kang short, huwag kang bubuka-buka dahil talagang makikitaan ka pa nito. Tingnan natin yung size niya. Kung ano, medium size. So, ito medium size. Tamang-tama na po ito. So, ito ay lalabhan nyo sa hand wash. Ito ay 90% polyamide and 10% elastin. Kaya yan, wash with light colors, hand wash cold. Yan, hand wash lang daw. So ito, ganda, sexy, very sexy. So nice. Ito maganda ito para doon sa mga new wedding. Oh, so this is a back view. This is a thong panty. So, kung i-rate natin siya ng 1 to 10, perfect 10 ang ating ibibigay dahil napakaganda ng kanyang style, very sexy, and the quality is good. Maganda talaga siya, perfect. So, that is for today for our sexy, tiny bikini panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!